Mears survival tips. In the bush, doing fishing, going to meet, we grills. Another good survival tip, when you're in the bush and you come across something like this, it's called an information board, which is absolutely great if you can read. Right then, apparently We Grills is here somewhere, so we're going to have a little fishing competition today. So I should imagine he's up there somewhere in the hills, because being from Scotland, that's probably where his hoose is. I tell you what, this is some hill, them Scottish have got some legs. Hey! Willsy! What? What's he saying, bro?
What are we doing today?
We're going to get some fish.
Fishing.
Yeah.
Let me tell you about fishing. Back in my day, son, fisherman of the year, every year for 25 years. Whopper. Whopper.
Get on with that.
So today we're doing a bit of fishing.
Yes, my man.
As you do, catch a few fish in there. As you can see, he's done again because he's stupid. What are you doing, mate? You alright?
No.
Man down. Man down. So apparently Mears has gone horse riding, but I don't know how, because we're in the bush and there's no horses. So hold on a minute. Oh.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
You're there, pal?
Horse riding.
Oh, horse riding. Stupid.
No horse riding in the bush. What planet's he on, mate? It's not Scotland. And guess what? But you don't find these in the bush either, do you? Tucky shit! Oh, come on then, Grillsy. Tell me about some of your best fishing trips.
Well, I'll tell you what, there's quite a few. I don't know if you've got time, to be honest, Mears. But let me tell you about this one time, mate. I tell you what, I was out there, raining, freezing, nipples. You know where I'm going with this one, don't you, pal? Well, let me, come on, I tell you. Auntie, I'm pulling. Do you know what it was? Do you know what it was, pal?
Oh, do you know what?
Do you know?
I can't
do you know,
understand the word.
It's a plastic bag, mate. A plastic bag. Yo.
Grillsy.
Why did you keep running off?
Bro, I'm not being funny, mate. I weren't being rude. Look, if you're going to tell me about your fishing trip, just tell me in a language I can understand, bro. It's getting hard.
Come on, I'll tell you. So, in the bush this one time. Second time because you don't listen, right? I'm pulling, mate. Oh, I'm pulling. It's shaking.
Do you know what, mate? Nah,
You never let me finish. It was a trolley.
Oh, was it a bag? Was it a bag?
No, it was a trolley. And that's the one.
Oh.
Yo.
Right, bro, listen to me.
Aye.
If we're going to go fishing together, I think it's going to be a good thing that we understand each other and listen to each other, because, you know, it is my programme.
Aye.
And I want to show you some skills.
Skills. Come on, let's start again.
Right, basically, when we get down to find this lake, I'm going to show you how to catch fish. And then I'm going to... You know what, I can't...
Where?
No, I'm doing it again.
Oh, here he goes again. We Grills in the bush.
Oi! It's that Mears in the bush! You know what, you bastard?
Fuck you, you dick! Mears, do us a favour, can you stop running after me, pal? Because it's starting to become stupid.
Alright.
Why do you smell like that, pal?
Oh, I forgot to tell you earlier, Grillsy. Robbed your shit. Again.
Okay. So where are you taking me now?
Well, it shouldn't be far now, bro.
Gone fishing?
Yeah, I think it's over that way. So just keep going, bro. We'll find it.
Come on now.
Keep going.
How long you been doing in the bush anyway, Mears?
Alright, mate.
I watched a few of your videos, pal.
Yeah.
Do you want me to be honest?
Yeah.
I think you've had a bit too many.
Rosie, me man, come over here, bro. Right, if you think you're that good at fishing, see what you can pull out of here.
Oh, Mears. You'll be amazed what I can pull out of there, mate.
Yeah, have a go, Marky. Have a go. I'll stand back and watch.
Then, pal, just give me a wee minute. Give me another wee minute.
Yeah. No, it's just a waiting game now.
Just a few more minutes, pal.
We'll see who's cooking on gas in a bit. Bro.
One coming, pal.
Yeah, go on, bruv.
Stop it.
Oh,
It's coming, pal.
oh that is one big ass fish, bruv. Come on, bruv. Grosy. Come on, you got it, bruv. I'll tell you, I'm surprised actually you've got a fish out of that.
Monster, pal. Oh shit, lost me shoe.
Quick, bruv, don't lose it. Don't lose the fish, bro. Come on, man, don't lose it. Bro, don't lose the fish, man. Come on, we're hungry here.
I've lost my shoe.
Come on, bruv, you got it. You got it. Come on.
It's coming in.
Come on.
Oh,
Yeah.
pal.
Let me get the land in there.
Oh, aye. Go on then.
We'll see. What you got there, bro?
Get it.
Come on, pull it in, man.
We got some food.
Come on, bro.
Oh, this is how we do it in Scotland, Mears.
Yes, come on, man.
Yeah, master.
Oh,
Look at that, pal.
can't believe it.
Look at that.
Yes, my man. Yes, mate.
And that's how you do it in Scotland, mate.
Oh, we're having some dinner. We're having some dinner.
Beauty.
Nice. Tell you what, Grillsy,
Some fish in that, innit, pal?
that was a good fish.
Tell you what.
Right. Now,
How come you didn't catch nothing from there?
yeah, I've got a better lake to catch fish from.
Have you?
Yeah, if you can catch something like that in that pond, mate, let
Aye.
me show you something. Just down there, Archie.
Alright, pal.
Pull out the biggest fish you've ever seen.
Alright, pal.
Watch this, mate.
You haven't got my one in your bag, have you?
What's that?
Sorry.
What's that?
See you in a minute.
Yeah, look at him.
Yes, my man.
Right, now I'll show you.
Let's see what you made
I'll
of
show you
then.
how to catch a fish, Archie. Right. You just watch this, my friend.
How long we talking?
Right. That one, you know. Yeah, keep some of this, bro. Keep some of this, bro. Ah.
Yes, mate. Come on, son. Yes, mate.
Yes, mate.
Come on.
Woo! Yeah! Look at that.
What's that?
Me?
Stupid, mate. Stupid.
Come on. Ah. What's wrong with that? Scottish. Well, thank you for watching again, and hopefully next time I'm gonna.
Alright, pal. Alright, son.
You know what?
Little fish, big fish, cardboard box. Tune in for next week. We've got some more bangers.
Awesome. This is my channel, and Mears, so please subscribe. Don't worry about the rest of these people who think they can catch big fish, little fish.
Loser!